What is going on? Welcome back to the channel. I seriously appreciate you for being here. As you saw from the title of this video, unfortunately is not clickbait. It's actually been about a week since this happened. I went to go edit some of the footage and noticed that I never even filmed an intro for this video. So the other day when I was filming my first drive, actually later that night even, on my way home pretty much, we went to get gas, and on my way to the gas station, the check engine light came on, and that is just the biggest nightmare. Like, that's the last thing you want to see when you pick up a car, especially the day you pick it up. Like, you can't help but feel like you got scammed, you know? So I'm gonna play some of the footage right now. I called over to Unique Motorsports and talked to Georgie about it. I'm just gonna play some of the footage right here and then we'll get into the rest.
Unique Performance Good, how can I help you?
Hey Georgie, it's Johnny. I was over there. I bought the blue Z earlier.
Yes, what's up?
The check engine light just came on. I was driving it.
Okay, you can read the code to see what it says.
I don't have a code reader or anything.
Okay, well, you can stop by if you want, and we can read the codes.
I don't know why the check. Do you know why the check engine light would be on in this thing, man?
I don't know. I wish I knew. I mean, you read the codes. You can stop by in the auto zone. It's free to read the codes. I mean, as long as it drives, no, I'm pretty sure it's like, does it drive weird or something?
It seems to be driving okay.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know. Maybe just read the codes to see what it says.
Okay, I'll check it out.
Yeah, no problem, man.
All right, thanks. Is this not like everyone's worst nightmare ever? Well, all we can do is try and fix it. Hopefully it's not too bad. The car is running amazing, so I can only imagine it's something simple, right? Right? It's not missing or anything. It doesn't smell weird. Oh man. My heart just sank when I saw that, you guys. I'm not gonna lie. I hope this is gonna be okay. I have to get it smogged still. We're gonna figure this out. Oh man, could there be anything more of a vibe kill than a check engine light? I mean, it seems to be running fine. It still says we have no gas. I'm going to O'Reilly Auto Parts right now because I still don't have a code reader, so I'm probably just gonna buy one right now. And the saga begins. The car runs great, so hopefully it's nothing bad, you know, hopefully. All right, so I'm over here at O'Reilly Auto Parts. I got the scan tool. They let you borrow it, which is pretty cool. You just gotta trade them your ID for a second. All right, I got it plugged in. Detection protocol, auto link in progress. Here we go, it's done. Couldn't verify connection. Oh wait, maybe, I think I'm dumb. I think the car has to be running, doesn't it? Let's see what it says. We got the check engine light. What code? P0 something. This is not how I expected my first drive going, that's for sure. Here we go. P0507. Idle speed control system. DTC. Severity 2 of 3. Repair immediately if the drivability issues are present. Threat is essential system components if not repaired as soon as possible. Seems like a pretty simple fix. I don't know. I'm gonna run this back inside. I'm gonna take some pictures of this really quick. Just my luck, man. Well, so obviously I'm traumatized. When I filmed this a week ago, I didn't understand how serious this was gonna be, or, I mean, when the check engine light comes on in a car you just bought, it can be a number of things, you know, like it's just a scary thing to see. And so I got the code P0507, idle control system or something like that. Basically, we got super lucky, like super lucky. Check engine light's been gone. I've driven it about 500-600 miles since then already. So if you do end up getting P0507, there are a few different things that can trigger that. Luckily for us, it was just an idle relearn. I actually, you'll not believe me, but I was not recording when I did it. I thought I was recording, like I had the camera facing this way and everything while I was, you know, turning the car on and off and pressing the gas down. And it turned out I wasn't recording the entire time I was doing the idle relearn, but it ended up working. So I turned the camera back on and I start filming and there's no check engine light anymore. So I'm gonna play some of that footage right now, and it was actually the first time we actually got to like introduce the red Rev Up 350Z to the HR, the blue HR, and it was pretty cool seeing them side by side. And we also got to go on a pretty awesome POV drive in the HR after the fact. So there she is. I mean, she don't look too bad, I'm not gonna lie. Oh man, So here they are. Jeez. All right, let's get in, go for a ride. Yeah, this thing looks so much wider with that front lip. I don't know why. I'm not gonna lie, it smells like a bathroom in this car for some reason. All right, so I did my little video shoot. Let's start this thing. Let's cold start this thing. I love cold starts, you know. We got this Megan Racing exhaust that came on this thing, and it doesn't sound too bad. First cold start on the 2007 HR. Fuel pump works. Way louder than this one, but this one's just got a muffler delete, so I mean, it sounds pretty good once it like idles down, runs smooth. So the title of this video, as you saw, is not, I was driving this thing around last night and the check engine light came on. Check this out. Of course, this is my luck. You know, right when you buy a car, check engine light comes on. So aside from the e-brake always being on even when it's not, and the fuel level always being empty even when it's not, the check engine light came on as well. I mean, we got a full-on Christmas tree over here. So, sorry, my hair, I don't even know. It's kind of like a personal nightmare for me, but you know, we're getting through it. We're gonna figure it out. I was getting P0507, and you saw that code is actually the air idle control system, which is basically the throttle bodies of the intakes, basically just the air intake system. So there's 2 Nismo intakes on this thing. I don't know if that could be the reason as to why this is happening, but the car sounds like it runs fine. And it honestly sounds like it's idling fine. So I am gonna try one thing. I actually went online. Oh man, my hair is bothering me. And I actually found out that there's a way you can just reset this check engine light, and not like reset it to where it's gone, even though the issue's there. But basically the car just relearns and refines the idle. So we're gonna try that. I don't know if it's gonna work. I mean, if it works, I'll be really happy if it works. So we're gonna try it out. I'm letting the car warm up right now, and then we're gonna see. Look at these hits on the windshield I just noticed. Those are like in the glass. I'm surprised I didn't break the glass. I'm gonna do a video of everything wrong with it, all the little tiny details that I haven't gone over yet, and everything that kind of bothers me, and then, you know, we'll get to fixing it. But check engine light, car's probably pretty warm. Let's give it a few revs, yeah? I mean, that was only 3,500, but I don't want the neighbors to hate us, so. All right, I just watched a YouTube video. We're gonna try this. Okay, so it said car at operating temperature, which it is. Key on for 10 seconds. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Key off for 3, 2, 3. Turn it back on. Well, I wasn't filming, and it worked. I wasn't filming. Oh man, so when the car is just sitting here, you have the car, oh man, I really wish it was recording because I just did it perfectly. It literally took me 15 seconds. I'll explain it really quick. So I'll kind of go over everything again without doing it, just in case it messes it up. So you put the key in and you turn everything. You start with your electricity on, so like your accessory mode. Make sure everything is illuminated. Once this is on and your car is up to operating temperature, you actually turn the key off and you wait 10 whole seconds with the car completely off. After those 10 seconds, you turn the key back on for 3 seconds. And then after those 3 seconds, you press the accelerator, so the gas pedal, 5 times. You push it all the way down and all the way out 5 times. And then you wait 7 more seconds without doing anything. And then you hold the gas pedal all the way down Hopefully it stays off. That's like my only biggest concern. So, well, I'm just kind of in shock right now that it worked. I hope it stays off. Let's go for a cruise real quick because, I mean, so it seems that it was just a sensor thing. I know the battery wasn't plugged for a while because the car sat. So I'm assuming maybe it was just confused because it sat for a while and I just had to reset everything. But I'm not gonna lie, it's way easier to push the clutch down in this car than in my car. I got no resistance here with the e-brake, so it kind of worries me. All right. So it's been an emotional morning just because of that check engine light. I've kind of been just distraught. I didn't want to tell anyone because I was just embarrassed that, of course, I buy a 350Z and the check engine light comes on. But luckily, it seems to be fine. So we're gonna go out this way. Hopefully, it doesn't come back on. I know it shows that we're out of gas, but oh, this thing sounds pretty crazy. Man, it's cold. I'm gonna turn the heat on. So this was gonna be the episode that I went and actually washed this thing because the grime is disgusting. Like, ignore my coffee, but inside here, there's like melted M&Ms and there's a razor blade right there. I gotta clean that. That just seems toxic and biohazardy. So, and then it also, I think it smells like a bathroom in here for some reason. So 4,000 RPM in second. Dang, man, the downshifts in this thing sound pretty crazy. 51 degrees. It's cold out, man. Oh my God. I don't know. I thought he was gonna go straight, so I had to slam the brakes, you know? Oh, here we go. AC off. She sounds and feels really healthy. I just want to say about that check engine light we just had, it's so easy to just take the thing into the shop and be like, can you see why my check engine light is on? And I mean, they probably would have charged me $250 to hook this thing up to that scanner and just redo that little like turning off the thing. You know, like you just never know how simple it is. I hope it doesn't come back on, honestly. Like, you know, I usually get excited about these things and then it turns out to not be true. So, you know,